Welcome to Verano Imports, where luxury meets the outdoors. Based in the USA, Verano Imports is the premier provider of outdoor living furniture for the world's most prestigious hotels and resorts. From sun-drenched terraces in Santorini to serene poolside retreats in Bali, Verano Imports delivers timeless design, unmatched comfort, and enduring quality to luxury destinations across the globe. Each piece is thoughtfully crafted, blending modern elegance with durability, designed to withstand the elements while elevating the guest experience. From concept to delivery, we bring excellence, precision, and unmatched style to the world's most prestigious hotels and resorts. At Verano Imports, we believe that outdoor spaces are more than just an extension. They are the heart of every guest's experience. Verano Imports, where summer lasts forever.